Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: LinkedHashSet class in Java Collections Framework. So first of all, we'll understand what is collection framework in Java. So Java collections means collection of objects or group of objects as a single unit or single object in Java program. Then what is framework? So framework means library which is used to work with collection of objects, and this library is provided to us in the form of java.util package. So in this java.util package, we have different classes and interfaces and its methods using which we can work with collection of objects in Java collections framework. So here we have collection interface, which is a top level or a base interface for Java collections framework. So under this interface, we have four popular collections. So the first collection under that is list collection, second one set collection, third one queue collection, and fourth one map collection. And all these collections are sub-interfaces for collection interface. So coming to some technical points, so collections is only for objects but not primitive data types. So if we store any primitive data type value like integer, character, boolean, floating, internally it will be stored in object format only. So hence in collections, every data, everything is stored as object itself, and to be more precise, it will be stored in object class format, where object class is a superclass for all the classes in Java programming. So now coming to the concept of LinkedHashSet class in Java collections framework. So first of all, this class is available in java.util package. So this class is inherited from HashSet class as well as set interface. And set interface is inherited from collection interface, and collection interface is inherited from iterable interface. Right. So here iterable interface is available in java.lang package. So collection, set, HashSet, and LinkedHashSet, all these are available in java.util package. So this class is clonable as well as serializable. It is inherited. So if we go to the command prompt, issue the command java p-p java.util.linkedHashSet. So LinkedHashSet class, it is inherited from HashSet class, and HashSet class and also implements set interface. It is also inherited from set interface. And this class is also inherited from clonable and serializable. So clonable means we can create a duplicate LinkedHashSet using clone method, and then serializable means LinkedHashSet object can participate in serialization and deserialization. So now coming to what is LinkedHashSet. So some technical points related to the LinkedHashSet. So LinkedHashSet is a collection of objects implementing linked list and hash table data structure. Means for all the objects internally you'll have links: object 1, object 2, object 3, object 4, object 5. So when we have links, when we perform any operations on LinkedHashSet, the operations are performed very quick and very fast. So this is the main advantage of LinkedHashSet. And next, its default capacity is 16, initial capacity, and initial default load factor is 0.75, which is 3/4. So this load factor decides capacity of a LinkedHashSet similar to HashSet. For example, if we have initial capacity as 16, so 16 into 0.75, which is 3/4, which is equals to 12. So when we add 12th element, automatically the capacity will become double. So 16 plus 16, 32. Similarly, 32 into 3 by 4, which is equals to 24. When we add 24th element, automatically the size will become, or the capacity will become double. So 32 plus 32, 64. And next, so linked hash set does not provides indexes to collection of objects. It does not accept duplicate objects, and order is preserved in collection of objects. So it will store the objects in the same order how we have entered or added the objects into the linked hash sets. And next, it accepts null values. So this is one difference when compared to the base class. So two differences: order is preserved and accepts null values. Right. So next, coming to the constructors and methods. So java p java.util linked hash set. So linked hash set. So these are the default constructor with the initial capacity of 16 and load factor 0.75, which is 3 by 4. So linked hash set int. Int indicates our own capacity 20, 30, 40, and with a default capacity of 0.75, 3 by 4. And this is a linked hash set int comma float. So int indicates our given capacity and float indicates our given load factor, and generally we have to take a load factor from 0.5 to 0.99. Right, so load factor decides capacity of a linked hash set. So we don't have any extra methods here. All methods are inherited from the base class, which is hash set class. Right. So these are the three important constructors. So no extra methods. So size, isEmpty, contains, add, remove, clear, clone. So these are inherited from the base class. So if you see the description of the base class, java.util.hashset. Right. So here in the base class hashset, we are going to use size, isEmpty, contains, add, remove, clear, clone. And we are also going to use iterator to work with iterator cursor. Right, so this is what is all about linked hash set. So which is a combination of linked list and hash table. So operations are done very quick and fast. So now coming to the program. So we are going to take a class, linked hash set class example1, and the file name with .java as extension. So take a new page. So first we'll write the comments: program to demo linked hash set class with collection of objects. So first import java.util package and then take the main class with main method. So save the program in our working directory. So we are creating an object of linked hash set with a default constructor. Initial capacity is 16 and load factor is 0.75, which is 3 by 4. And then first we are printing linked hash set. So no elements will be there, and checking the size 0, isEmpty, true. Initial it is empty. So save this program, come to the command prompt. Right, so let us compile the program. Linked hash set class example1.java, no error, and run it. Right, so initially we don't have any elements in the linked hash set. Size is 0, isEmpty, true. Right, so now let us add some elements into the linked hash set. Add 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Order is preserved in the same order how we are adding the elements into the linked hash set. And after that we are printing linked hash set size isEmpty. It should be false. Right, save it, recompile, and run. So now we have 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, same order in which we have added the elements into the linked hash set. So size is 5, isEmpty, false. So next, Let us try to remove an element from the linked hash set. So linked hash set dot remove 22. So 22 will be deleted and it will return true. So if of true, given element is removed. Right, so save this, recompile and run. So given element is removed. So 22 is missing from the linked hash set. 11, 33, 44, 55. Next. So let us try to remove 222. Right, save this, recompile and run. So it will return false. Given element is not removed. So 22 still exists because 222 is not there in the collection. Right. So let us remove 22 only. After that, contains. So all these methods are inherited from the base class hasset. So LHS dot contains 44. Yes, true. If of true, given element is found in hasset, or you can also take it as linked hasset. Otherwise, it is not found in the linked hasset. Right. So save it, recompile and run. So given element is found in the linked hasset, which is 44. So let us try to search for 444. Save it, recompile and run. So given element is not found in the linked hasset. So next let us add 22 again and then print linked hasset. So LHS.add 22. So after successful adding, it will return true. So it will print true. After that, it will print LHS collection, linked hasset collection. So save it, compile it, and run. So add 22 true. So 22 is added in the last. It will preserve the order. Next. Once again, I'm adding the duplicate object in the linked hasset, which is not accepted, so it will return false. After that, print linked hasset, you will have only 5 elements. Save, recompile, and run. So 22 is not added, false. So we have only 5 elements in the linked hasset. Next, let us make a duplicate linked hasset using clone method. So clone method is inherited from the base class. So linked hasset dot clone. So the return type of clone method is object class. So object class is a super class for all the classes in Java programming. So do the downcasting to linked hasset class and store the reference in duplicate linked hasset and print duplicate linked hasset. Save it, recompile and run. So again we got the duplicate linked hasset. So next let us try to remove all the elements at a time from linked hasset. So linked hasset dot clear. All elements will be deleted. Print linked hasset, no elements, size 0, is empty, true. So save it, recompile and run. So after clearing, we don't have anything, empty, size is 0, is empty, true. So this is how we are supposed to work with linked hasset class in Java collections framework. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.